Hi, this is Chef Bugsy and welcome to Get Veganized. Hi, this is Chef Bugsy for Get Veganized, and today we're going to make a chickpea salad. First we open a can of chickpeas. I'm going to drain this and rinse off the chickpeas and put them into a bowl. My next ingredient is the mayonnaise and mustard. I use just mayo. It's a plant-based mayonnaise. A little bit of mustard. Salt. Some pepper. Garlic salt. Garlic powder. And a dash of chipotle pepper, brown pepper, to give it that extra kick. Now I'm going to set this aside and cut up some apple. Craisins. Semi-mash my chickpeas. I'm using a potato masher. Now we'll add this to the bowl. Finally, I will chop up some walnuts. Maybe a few more. Mix it all together. Stir, and I'll be right back. Here we are, the finished product. Sure looks delicious. Let me give it a taste. Really good texture. The crunchiness of the nut and the sourness of the apple really sets this off. This is a great dish. Thank you for watching Get Veganized, and we'll see you on the next video.